Hello, teachers! We have heard you loud and clear. You need ways to use high-interest web pages and news articles in Google Classroom assignments. We're happy to share that the latest version of the Annotate Chrome extension now supports the creation of web page assignments in Google Classroom. As a first step, please make sure you have the Annotate Chrome extension installed on both teacher and student devices. You can access the direct link on our downloads page to install it from the Google Chrome Web Store. Please note that this feature is available to both free and pro accounts. Now, we recommend that you import your Google Classroom courses into Annotate if you've not already done so. Go ahead and open the Courses tab and click the Add Course floating action button, then go ahead and click Add Google Classroom Courses. You're going to need to accept any permissions requested for allowing access to your Google Classroom information. Now, select the courses where you would like to use Annotate with Google Classroom and click Import. Okay, here's a recent article on forest landscape restoration. We can see that the content is publicly available and there is ample space on the side for students to write their responses. This is going to be a great example for us to use when creating our assignment. Use the annotation tools to highlight key areas and add instructions for your student, and then save your edits to your Annotate web account. I want to mention here that you also have the option of downloading the web page with annotations as a PDF and creating a PDF-based assignment in Google Classroom. We already have an explainer video on that, and you can find a link right in the banner above. Now, go to your Google Classroom course and navigate to the Classwork tab. Click Create. You should see the Annotate Activity option available in the drop-down menu. Click Create Annotate Activity. The Create Annotate Activity dialog box should now be open. Web page assignments are created using the Drawing Activity tab. You will want to enter a name for the assignment and then go ahead and put in some instructions for your students or include any details that you think will need to be able to complete this assignment. Click plus in the second control and select the web page that we just annotated. Now you can set the total point value for this assignment as well as a due date. You can also leave the due date field blank if you just want your students to turn in their work at their own pace. Finally, you'll want to click Assign and then schedule the assignment in Google Classroom. The assignment will show up in your Classwork tab in just a few seconds. This system will create a PDF with all of the information about the assignment for quick and easy access in Google Classroom. On the student side, the assignment should now be available in the Classwork tab. Students can also access the assignment by logging into their Annotate web accounts and navigating to the Activities tab in the linked Annotate course. Click the card for the assignment and then open it up in Google Classroom. Students will need to click the thumbnail in the Your Work section to launch the assignment. Google Classroom will first show a preview of the PDF with a summary of the assignment details. Students can now either use the direct link in the PDF or Open with Annotate from the drop-down to open the assignment. The web page used for the assignment should open in a new tab, and you're going to notice that the integrated Turn In button is always available to students. And students can use one or more of the Annotate tools available to them to add their responses as they seem fit. Once students have completed their work and are ready to submit, they can click Turn In. Clicking Turn In saves their work and submits it directly into Google Classroom. Their work is now available for you to grade. Go ahead and open the assignment from Google Classroom and click on the student work to begin grading. Google Classroom will open the PDF summary sheet of the assignment in a new tab in the grading view. Once you get into the grading view, you'll have two ways to grade this assignment: in Classroom Grading View or in a new tab. Select Open in Grading View to review the student work in Classroom Grading View. As the display area for the page is small, it may not render correctly or it could appear trimmed on the sides. Collapse the grading pane to expand the area available to the web page. Use the annotation tools to grade student work and share any feedback you may have with your students. You can also use the recording tool to add a personal note using your device camera or microphone. Once you're done, go ahead and expand the grading view to add a score and leave a private comment. Please be aware that some websites are not going to load in Classroom Grading View. Our recommendation is that in these cases, you'll want to grade the assignment in a new tab. The page will open in a new tab with the grading toolbar visible at the bottom. As always, you can use any of the annotation tools to grade student work and leave feedback. You can assign a score in the space provided in the toolbar and then use the previous and next buttons on the toolbar to switch from one student to the next. Annotate automatically saves your work as you switch students, but you can always click Save on the toolbar to confirm that the work has been saved. Go ahead and click Return to return graded student work. We really hope web page assignments will add a completely new dimension to your teaching when you use Google Classroom. As you know, we've heard you loud and clear, and we've gone ahead to add this feature based directly on your feedback. Teachers from around the world have given this to us. So please continue to share your experience, your comments, suggestions, and let us know how this is working out for you in your classroom. We're listening, but we want to continue to support you in all that you're doing in the classroom.